up the back tonight and we're doing what will we call it? At home camping on the farm. We have some lamb that we're gonna cook on the fire. That'll be fun. It's pissing down rain at the moment. That's alright. Alright, we're up the back tonight, up the back of the farm, camping. We're going to do at-home camping, obviously because of the restrictions in Melbourne at the moment. We ain't going nowhere, buddy. So yeah. Yep, that's it. I've been waiting.
Don't burn yourself.
Yeah. And we got firewood there. Camp here that looks crooked as. Fire here. Wind block there. I might come back when we're cooking up a storm or doing something better than this. Okay, so we moved camp next to the tree. Camp next to the tree now. We actually moved it about 3 times because we put it in front of the smoke. But anyway, we're here now. We've got it in a good spot, out of the smoke, all set up. That's all I was showing you before it got really pitch black and you wouldn't be able to see it. I'm actually so excited for dinner. Like, so excited. We got stock as well, so we're gonna do it in like a pot and cook it like a stew, I guess. Putting up a windbreak. Come on, this has to be better than this. I'm getting a pot. I got some stock, beef stock. I've got some strawberries. I'm gonna eat one now. I'm so hungry. Well, I don't think I have anything to chop it on. So I'm just gonna probably just do the carrots. Because I can chop them anyway. Got 1 carrot, 1 sweet potato.
Bit of collie, bit of broccoli.
Capsicum, can you put 1 carrot in? Do you want more?
Yeah, 2 carrots. Whole peel tomatoes.
Chickpeas, put them in.
Are you going to cut these up or chuck them straight in?
Looks like meat and garlic on top, but there's so many vegetables. I got some nanas to cook with some sugar. I used to do this when I was a kid. It's going to be so good. We got our pot cooking underneath with all our veggies and meat. Yum! So excited. Marshmallows and chocolate with them would have been so much better, but you know, we did what we did. We got strawberries.
We can add them later.
It's a masterpiece and a half. Oh, so good.
Oh, it smells amazing.
It smells so good.
Oh, yeah. Oh, have a looky at that.
Oh my god, did I just spill it?
No. No?
Yeah. We've eaten. We've got everything for the swag. We got the blanket and all that. We've had dessert. And we're just about to sit around the fire and have a drink, I think. That rhymed. That's great. Last course, but we're having chops. Woo! Okay. It is now 3 something in the afternoon. It is 3:23 in the afternoon. I think I first came on here at like 12. Yeah, it was before 12:30. Because I was, posting my video. Anyway, my video's up now. Go check it out. I'm reacting to Aussie rap. It's actually a really good video. Yeah, check it out. Brendan's really bored. He's come back. He was working this morning. But I think we're going to go up to the skate park now. And if I go up to the skate park with him, I'll show you guys that too. So... We just came back from the skate park. But yeah, I will film the other video, like a pamper day for myself another time, obviously, because who the f doesn't want to pamper themselves? Anyway, so we've just come to the supermarket, Brendan and I. He rode his push bike for like a good while. We're getting some alcohol. I don't know what we're having for dinner tonight. I think we're having spaghetti. I think we're just going to cook something easy. Other than that, I don't really know what else to say, so catch you later.